Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. Hope you are all doing well and Ramzan is going the best for you. So today's topic is wedding dress. Guys, a wedding dress is more than just fabric and thread. It is a story, a dream, a symbol of love woven into every stitch. For centuries, bridal wear has reflected tradition, culture, and personal style, transforming a bride's moment into something truly unforgettable. Every bride envisions her perfect dress, the one that makes her feel like the best version of herself. From the timeless grace of ball gowns to the sleek sophistication of modern silhouettes, the choices are as unique as all the love stories they accompany. Bridal fashion is an art, a masterpiece in motion. Designers pour their hearts into each creation, selecting fabrics that flow like poetry, embellishments that sparkle like promises, and cuts that sculpt beauty with effortless grace. Silhouette shape the magic. The ball gown, grand and regal, turns fairy tale dreams into reality. The mermaid, sultry and bold, embraces confidence and grace. The A-line, universally flattering, dances between romance and sophistication. And for those who seek heritage, cultural bridal wear brings traditions to life. Whether it's the intricate hand embroidery of an Indian lehenga, the delicate lace of a European gown, or the dazzling gold accents of a Middle Eastern bridal dress, fabric is the soul of a wedding dress. Silk whispers elegance, chiffon floats like a dream, tulle creates layers of enhancement, and lace tells a story of timeless romance. Each choice carries meaning, adding depth to the dress and the moment. But a wedding dress is not just about fashion, it's about emotion. The moment a bride steps into her gown, she steps into her story. The smile, the sparkle in her eyes, the quiet intake of breath as she sees herself in the mirror, it's a feeling beyond words, a moment frozen in time. So, guys, behind every dress is a journey of artistry, dedication, and love. The hands that sew each bead, the minds that bring visions to life, the fashion that transforms fabric into something extraordinary. Bridal wear is not just clothing, it is a masterpiece created for a single magical day. And then the moment arrives as she walks toward forever. The dress is no longer just a dress, it is a symbol of love, of promise, of a new beginning. Because in the end, a wedding dress is not just something a bride wears, it is something she feels, something she remembers, something that becomes part of her story forever. So, guys, hope you enjoyed the video. Must like the video and share it with your friends and family. Subscribe our channel and stay tuned for next video. Allah Hafiz.